Hello friends, today I have a board Lenovo G50. In this board, every value of voltage in this motherboard, every coil has a accurate voltage getting out, power is on well, but laptop has no display. When I check all the board, I do not get any fault in any section. So my doubt goes to the BIOS. And why my doubt goes to the BIOS, I will just show you in this board. See, the laptop model is NM8281 G50. Okay. Now I am going to inject this. See, everything is okay. Ampere also good, very good, 3.3, that means 0.330. Okay, it increases up to 0.44, 440, but the laptop has not got any display, no display point. I will show you the voltage I am getting in the coil. See, the required voltage, just watch brother, in this CPU section, see, I am getting 0.80, here 0.93, that means this CPU is perfectly working. Here 0.92 PCH, it is also good. CPU, that is also CPU. Okay, I am going to check here. See, 1.33, that means it is RAM supply, it is also very good. Okay, so now I am going to check why they are not going to, this board is not giving a display. I am going to check in this BIOS. See, BIOS pin number 1, pin number 1, 3.3, pin number 8, 3.3. Meter, in this meter I can't check the data clock, but just I am putting the meter in the pin number 5, 0.14, pin number 6, it is also 0.14, pin number 2, output 0.15. in meter it is showing that I am getting all the values. Okay, now I am going to check by DSO whether the signals are okay or not. Spinning ground. Now I am going to check. See, pin number 1. I am just powering off now. See, in pin number 1 I didn't get any variation. But in pin number 2, see, pin number 2, see, output, I am getting some signals. Pin number 5, see, I am again putting auto mode. See, I am putting out the meter. I am putting in 5 number pin. See, variation, there is variation. Pin number 6 also I am getting variation. Pin number 2 output also getting variation. But pin number 1 there is no variation. See, so pin number 1 there is no any variation, but I am putting in pin number 2 output. See there signal variation. Again I am putting pin number 5 there is variation. Pin number 6 there is variation. Again I am putting pin number 1. See, pin number 1 there is no variation. See brother, I am putting auto mode. See, no variation. This is not the variation. See, pin number 2 variation, but pin number 1 no variation. No variation. No variation. I am putting, see, no variation. Straight line, no variation. This is not the CS signal. Okay. Pin number 2, see, there is variation, but pin number 2 there is variation, but pin number 1 no variation. This is not the CS. So I came to the doubt for my BIOS. So I am going to program my BIOS. Then I will check the display. Hello friends. Now I am going to show in my second part video of Lenovo G50. In the first part I show you how the my BIOS first pin number CS signal was missing in this laptop. Now I have programmed my BIOS. So brother, here I have programmed this BIOS. Okay. Now I have programmed this BIOS. Now I am going to show.
No, कहाँ है?
फिर से. Now see brother, I am going to check. Now I have put in the DC jack. Now I am going to check with my DSO. See brother, I am going to check with my DSO. I have to power on the laptop. Now I am going to check pin number 1. एक मिनट. Now pin number 1. एक मिनट. 1 minute. Hold it. Now I am not going to. Now I am powering on the laptop. See, this is the accurate CS signal. See brother, this is the CS signal which was missing that time. See, so I am putting my pointer of DSO. Again I am powering off the laptop. See DSO. See DSO signal nicely. I am putting here. So here, putting the pin number 1. This is the CS signal, chip select signal. Now I am going to power on the laptop. Just see the DSO nicely. See, this is the CS signal. This is the CS signal which was missing that time. Now pin number 2, data output. I am powering off the laptop. Now I am powering on the laptop. See, this is the data. This is the accurate data output. Pin number 5. Now again I am powering off the laptop. Now see, pin number 5. This is the data. This is the data. Now pin number 6, clock. Powering off, powering on. See. Once again. See. Auto. See. Auto. See. This was the signal. This is the signal. So mine CS signal was missing. Now again I am power on the laptop. Now see the CS signal of laptop, the pin number 1. See, this is the CS signal. Now I am going to check with my display. Just I am going to see whether I am going to check with my see how display is. Yes, display has been come. See brother. Now my laptop is power on. See DC supply. That time also the DC supply ampere was same, reading was same, but my CS signal was missing. So I reprogrammed the BIOS. My problem is solved. So brother, in this way you can check the CS signal and confirm the BIOS corrupted or not. Otherwise, if you not check, we flash the IO, we change the IO, this and that. So be careful, and thank you for watching my channel, subscribing my videos. Thank you very much.